Hello, kindly asking if tumatanggap pa ang mga clients ng newbies. Kasi I was trained with certificate and still learning until now, but I'm afraid na. So based on my experience, lahat kasi ng clients na nahahawakan ko is direct clients. And hindi naman nila ako hinahanapan ng kahit anong certificate. Pero it's good kasi you are trained with a certificate. It's a plus din. Pero in my own experience, nakapasok ako ng social media, chat support, customer service representative, copywriting, graphic design, and social media management ng walang certificate. And I'm a newbie. It means nagkakaroon lang ako ng experience and knowledge about sa task kapag pinapagawa na nila or may previous training silang binibigay. So, in my perspective, tumatanggap ang client ng mga newbies. Sobrang tight lang talaga ng competition ngayon sa virtual assistant industry. Kaya medyo mahirap nga talagang magkaroon ng client ngayon. Pero it is not impossible ha. And don't give up. Good luck!